Wow, that was a photo shoot. Definitely one to remember. Of course, it didn't start at night. In the morning, we had super skies, and those skies really evolved throughout the day. After the engine got ready and it started steaming out, it was ready to go. Maneuvering down to the depot where the photographers were waiting. She is currently passing by the turntable at Laws, and you can see the water tower and the oil tank that's used to feed engine 18. And here we are at the depot with, as you can see, all the photographers are lining up to get the perfect shot. And we have a little mule pack train that is going to the train to deliver goods. Maybe coming down from the mountains, bringing down the ore. Or packed with gold. The mule didn't really want to do as said. I think it didn't like the tracks very much, and neither did it like the engine making noise, I think. But as you can see, all the photographers really were ready to get their shot. And as you can see, the lights throughout the day changed as the clouds cover was changing. And it's like everywhere. Wait 5 minutes and it changes. Right now, the photographers are actually waiting for engine 18 to come and produce not only steam, but now the smoke is coming. Quite a bit of smoke. The engine is gonna park right before the station agent's house. And you can see in the distance the white-capped mountain. The photo shoot was held in March of 2023, and you can see the snow in the mountains, and there was more to come. But here, I mean, just look at the color of the clouds against the steam from the engine. It's just incredible. The tower that you see in the background, that is actually a well, that's the original well. And here she comes again, and smoke is being produced by the engineers, just for the photographers. And now the engine is gonna park down near the water tower, or actually the turntable, and it's creating some different colors, steam and smoke for the photographers. Just look at the sky, how it keeps changing. In the moment it's snowing in your mountains. Oh no, yeah, in the mountains. And the night shots, I think most of the photographers are actually waiting for those night shots. And here Jimmy is posing for the give those special scenes for the photographer. And day 2 of the photo shoot. And yes, there was a nice blue car. But in the morning I wasn't there, but there were some other fun things being done. And here you can see how the engine goes into toward the end of the line at last, and we have absolutely blue sky, and you can see the white mountains cap, a white cap. The photographers are taking their shots as engine 18 is going back and forth as it's being staged and directed by the way, Lero Photography was the company who organized the photo shoot. They came out from the East Coast extra for this photo shoot. Oh, here you see nice smoke coming so that everyone gets their favorite picture. And here comes the blue car. What type of car is that? I don't know. I really don't know what that blue car is, but it's pretty. Look at those tires. And right now there's discussions of what's going to happen. One of the goals is to actually move number 9. And right now engine 18 is moving the train out, but you see the blue car again. And here number 18 is coupling this number 9 right in front of the station agent house. Let's see how that goes. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And now the youngest sister is pulling the 2-year-older sister to her dedicated place for the afternoon photo shoot. Photographers who stayed over lunch here, didn't go out for lunch, they got a special treat. You can see some softer clouds came back into the picture, but generally it stayed rather sunny. Alright, still a little cold, even though it was almost end of March. And number 18 is moving number 9 toward the west side of the water and oil tanks, right in front of the turntable. There she is positioned for the afternoon and night photo shoot actually. This is our Gen Z engineer, Marco. And in the afternoon, the Lost Brill car number 5 also got some attention. The photographers were very interested in it, and so all three engines got to be in one of the staged shots. And even our little mule pack train participated. Because yes, Death Valley Volca number 5 definitely was on the roads in Death Valley when mules were still working in Death Valley too. And here you see all 3 engines in the shot, the Volca number 18 coming into the shot, and on the side with number 9 staged. Just you can see in front of the engine house. almost at the end of the photo shoot. No, there's still a night photo shoot coming, but the group photo is taken, and now Mr. Laro himself gets in the picture. And here we are during the final moments of the photo shoot at night. Number 18 standing at the dock depot, and then heading down south to the, actually right now it's coming up, oh no, I'm wrong, it's heading down south through the crossing. The switch is gonna be late, so that number 18 is going on the main track to the east of the water tower and oil tank. Ready to go. The wind was really helping here, creating the ambience of because the wind came from the north and it just brought the steam in the picture here so beautifully. You can see the fire in the engine. And engine 18 is approaching the tanks. You can see number 9, they turned on the lights on the home track to the west of the tanks, and you can see how the photographers were crowding again to get the perfect shot. Number 18, you can see the top of the just a couple of still photos made by my son Max, and to give you some final pictures. Thank you for watching. Please help us support Engine 18, and please subscribe, please share. Thank you for watching.